Hi, I'm Lucy Graves. Thank you for having me be a part of this virtual assembly. What an awesome idea. I love that things like this are still happening even though times are very strange right now. Very strange. Anyway, let's move forward. So the word for today is humility. And I think that's a really great word to explore, because no matter how much we think we know, there is always something more to learn, you know, and to kind of embrace that, really, to embrace the fact that we're forever students, and to ask, like, what is this supposed to teach me when things don't go our way, rather than why didn't this work out the way that I wanted it to. So I'm gonna sing an original song of mine for you, and it's called Questions. And the song kind of came about, honestly, I was having a moment. Life was throwing some obstacles my way, and I was just really confused and needing some answers. So yeah, this is what happened. Out of that, I trusted the process. This is it. Questions. All in my head, don't have a clue how the cards will fall, wondering what's next, and if it's all worth fighting for. I can't believe that love would do this to me, and it all be for nothing. I put my faith in love, believing one day it'll turn into something. Believing one day it'll all turn into something. No one to blame. I've lived my life with no regrets, alone with my pain. Can't see the light at the end of it. Want to believe in love through everything. Gave my best, all or nothing, praying that it's enough. Give me a sign, give me hope, give me something. Give me a sign, give me hope, give me something. Anyway, I hope some of you could resonate with that. But, there's always a but. Even though times can be tough and we question a lot of things, I think that it's really important to be able to take life and look at everything as a chance to explore something new, something exciting, something different, and to remember that all opportunities are, you know, for growth and new experiences. Thank you guys, thank you so much. I hope you've enjoyed today's assembly. Stay safe.